So hey guys, so I wanted to share something really quick for the 2022 Acura MDX. Now what was cool with this purchase was it came with these all-season mats, which I thought was neat. They just threw them in there. Nowhere on it, didn't even say it, so I don't even know. They were just thrown in, and the carpet ones were thrown in the back. So that was neat, because I was going to go ahead and buy them that day anyway. But one thing that's disappointing is even when you buy them, the full set, it doesn't come with a third row, which is kind of disappointing. Acura sells a third row separate. It's a separate part number just for the third row. So if you guys use a third row a lot, I would suggest getting it. I picked it up. Now what's neat about this is it comes with a little centerpiece here for if you take the center seat out to make them captain's chairs, this little piece goes in the middle of the walkway, so it'll protect it to get back to the third row. So that's pretty neat too. So it'll protect that too. So let me show you. I put them in the car here. I'll show you what it looks like. So it's definitely, like I said, if you're using the third row, I'd highly suggest getting it. Of course, it's an OEM part, so it fits perfect. Covers really well, has some high sides on it, as you can see. Really nice. And like I said, they have that centerpiece too. I like too how it goes under the vent here. It's cut really well. I like that. So we do use a third row. So I had to pick that up for sure. And all this will kind of like flatten down since it gets folded up during shipping, but it'll come out just fine. So now if you take this seat out, you just put that center piece in there and it'll protect that center part as well, which is, I do like that because that will get messed up if you keep walking through that way. Only bummer is it's a separate part you have to buy. It retails for just about $100, so it's kind of expensive, plus the cost of all the others. But check the link in the description for the part number for that item. Like I said, it comes with a third row mat and then the walk-through mat. So it's kind of expensive for what it is because you're already spending like, I think it was $200, I believe, if you buy the all-season mats. So you're talking almost $300 for the full set. Like I said, I'm fortunate that the all-season mats, the first and second row, were already included. But, you know, we needed a third row because we do use it. The whole point of having a car with 3 rows. So I just want to share that if you guys didn't know that you do have to purchase it separately. So don't buy the normal ones thinking that you get all 3 rows when you don't. It's kind of deceiving. But again, in the description, I'll put the part number and just price it out. Go on eBay, Amazon, and different Honda sites online, and then even call your local dealer and see what they charge for it. Like I said, it varies a lot. You might be able to find a cheaper deal on it. So I would do that. Definitely if you utilize the third row, protect the carpets in these cars. So again, want to share that if you didn't already know about it. I didn't know. But now that hopefully that'll help you out. You have the part number so you can search for that. Save you guys some money. Okay, I appreciate it. Hope everyone's staying safe out there, doing good. If you haven't, please subscribe. I really do appreciate that. I'll have videos coming up weekly. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.